Today I'm going to teach you how to use rows and hierarchy in Smartsheet. This feature lets you organize your data with parent and child relationships, making it much easier to structure complex projects and collapse or expand sections as needed. First, open your browser and head over to smartsheet.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Smartsheet dashboard where all your sheets and workspaces are stored. From your dashboard, select the existing form or sheet you want to work with. Click on it to open it up. If you're working on a project tracker, task list, or any structured data, this hierarchy feature will help you organize everything more clearly. Now, before you can start creating hierarchies, you need to make sure you're viewing your sheet in grid view. This is important because hierarchy options are only available in this view. Look for the view options, typically represented by an icon that looks like a table or grid. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Grid. This will switch your sheet to the proper format for working with rows and hierarchy. Next, locate the row you want to turn into a sub-item or child row. Click on that row to select it. You'll notice the row becomes highlighted, indicating it's ready for editing. This step is crucial because you need to select the correct row before applying any hierarchy changes. With the row selected, look for the indent icon in your toolbar. This icon usually looks like a right-pointing arrow or an indent symbol. Click on it. What this does is move that row underneath the row above it, creating a parent-child relationship. The row you indented becomes a child, and the row above it becomes the parent. To verify that your hierarchy has been set up correctly, look at your parent row. You should now see a small plus or minus icon appear next to it on the left side. This icon indicates that the row has child items beneath it. Click on this plus or minus icon to expand or collapse the hierarchy. When you click the minus icon, it will hide all the child rows underneath that parent, giving you a cleaner view of your sheet. Clicking the plus icon will expand it again, showing all the nested items. And that's it. You've successfully created a hierarchical structure in Smartsheet, making your data more organized and easier to navigate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.